Hello, welcome to the sky this week. As usual, let us start the program with observation of evening sky. Time around 7:30 pm. Let us start with this group of stars which resembles somewhat like letter M. This group is called as Cassiopeia. This constellation can help in locating pole star. Another important and also easily recognizable group of stars called Saptarishi Mandala or Big Dipper can also be seen. This group of stars are part of much larger constellation called Ursa Major. Towards the north of Cassiopeia, you can recognize constellation Perseus, which has two noticeably bright stars, Myrphag and Algol. Another constellation near Cassiopeia is Andromeda, which is towards northwest. Try to observe this bright patch here, which is nothing but our nearest galaxy, Andromeda. Central part of the sky, that is around zenith, you can see many bright stars and easily recognizable constellations. Easier among them is the Orion. With the help of Orion, one can identify other constellations like Canis Major, Canis Minor, Gemini, Auriga, Taurus, and Lepus. Towards south, bright star Canopus is seen. Above the eastern horizon, stars of constellation Leo is easy to identify. In the pre-dawn sky, time around 5:15 am, near the eastern horizon, planets Saturn, Jupiter, and Mercury can be seen, and also stars of winter triangle, Vega, Altair, and Deneb are easy to recognize. Between southeast and south, constellation Sagittarius and Scorpio can be seen. Near the southern horizon, two bright stars, Alpha Centauri and Beta Centauri of Centaurus constellation are seen. Towards the west, with the help of this bright star Spica, Virgo constellation can be identified. Another bright star here is Arcturus of Bootes constellation. In the northern sky, stars of Saptarishi Mandala or Big Dipper is seen. As constellation Leo, which rises in the evening and sets in the morning, gives ample amount of time to observe. Let us try to look at few Messier objects seen in the Leo. Here in the Leo, you can see object named M65, which is a spiral galaxy about 35 million light years away. M66 is another Messier object, which is again a spiral galaxy. This, along with M65 and NGC 3628, forms the Leo triplet, a small close group of galaxies. This object is named M95, is a barred spiral galaxy, which is about 33 million light years away. Here you can see M96, which is a spiral galaxy at a distance of 31 million light years